Hi everyone, my name is Ryutaro Suzuki from Japan, and it's been more than 10 years that I live here in Paris, in France. I'm extremely happy that I can participate to the second phase of this FVG competition in Chile, and I made the whole program with very enthusiastic pieces, but also the works that I know very well, so that the people can enjoy. And all the more because of the situation going on and even the pandemic, which is not finished yet. I really hope that you can enjoy my performance and that have some unreal and happy moment listening to the music. Thank you very much and see you soon in Chile. Goodbye.